And now, as you can see from this screen, the first 3 steps we've already passed, and currently we are installing Windows, which is the step number 4. So this takes time a little bit, so I will not make it so long for you. I'm gonna reduce the time, and actually this time it depends on your PC specification presented by the RAM size and the CPU mainly. And the installation process is so simple and quite easy. Just leave it doing the installation automatically, and once you've asked about some settings to edit, you just edit it and click next and proceed. Now it will ask me, if you see, it will ask me for the regional and languages options. If someone lives in USA, you can just click next and proceed, but if someone lives outside, you have to click on customize. Here the settings will show you that you have to choose your own format, the English here United States, and down the location, which is where do you live at the moment. And from the languages tab, you can add some languages, and if you click on the details, you will find that the English language is already installed within the installation, because this Windows is English version. From here you can add some other languages, and if you couldn't find them, you have to click on those 2 checkboxes in order to install additional languages like Arabic or Chinese or Asian if you're not living in the USA, and click apply to install them. But in our case, we don't need them, we just proceed with the installation. And for the advanced tab, it requires you to select the language which most of your programs are using, and they are using a non-Unicode language. So we click next to proceed. The computer name, you just write your name here and click next. Here is the location of where you have to enter the serial number I've shown you at the beginning of this tutorial. And by clicking next, you have to write down your name here, the computer name, and the password for the administrator. For my case, I don't need to change the computer name, and I don't want to use the password as well. Click next, and you will face here the date and time settings dialog box, which you have to correct the date and time and the location of your time, the time according to your location. And this checkbox automatically adjusts clock for daytime saving changes. You have to keep it checked in order to get the updates from the internet automatically. Click next to proceed. And now the network settings appeared. Usually we keep it as typical settings, and we click next. And for the domain name, we leave it as default workgroup, because later on both of those 2 settings we can change it from within the operating system itself. Takes a while. Then the finalizing It requires reboot after finalizing the installation, and again and again I'm telling you that it will ask you to press any key in order to boot from the CD, but you don't have to touch the keyboard even. Leave it proceed with the finalization. Here's the display settings, asking you to apply for the screen resolution, default screen resolution. You click OK, and it will ask you to confirm the action. You click OK. And this is the welcome screen. Welcome to Microsoft Windows. This is the welcome screen telling you that you're almost finished. Click next to proceed. And it will ask you to update the Windows. You choose not right now, the second one, because we don't have internet connection. And here for the registration as well, you choose not at this time, because we don't have internet connection yet. We just finished the Microsoft Windows installation. We don't have internet connection at the moment. We click next to proceed, and here you have to enter at least one username in order to use this operating system, and you have also additional 4 persons, either your brothers, your sisters, your family, your friends, whoever using the same computer you're using, to use it with their own name. Click next and then finish. This is the final welcome screen, and after that you will see the desktop of your new operating system. This is how to install the Microsoft Windows XP.